Hi, I'm Dean and you're watching Nextcap TV. And as you can see, I'm wet because I was, playing with the family in the water. And today I'm going to do the product review, Darche fire chimney. So what I like about it and what I don't like about it, I will tell you all. This is a honest review. So it does come in the bag, which is absolutely lovely. And when you look at it here, it's very compact. So here you have the compact things, is about 1 inch thick, and it folds up. It does have these two handles. As you can see, I've used it before, so my hands are getting dirty. And then when you open it, it does have a folding mechanism. So we should do it this way, I guess. So as you can see here, we just open that and is locked on. That's it. The mechanism inside is absolutely fantastic. When it's done, does not go anywhere. It's very solid, is very good, is very light, and very easy to use. I do have a Bunnings one, but I do prefer this one to bring it for the picnic area and the day trips because it's just very compact. Do I have anything bad to say about it? Absolutely not. It's just fantastic. I highly recommend it. 5-star rating. And by the way, this video is not a sponsored. Darche hasn't sponsored me or anything. This is absolutely honest review. It's fantastic product. I highly recommend it anybody to own it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.